Good morning, class, or good afternoon, depending on who's watching. So, yesterday we started the unit with similar figures. So, in your notes, you would have already seen that the angles are congruent and that their sides are proportional. So, your first set of notes will say if the two figures are similar, then their corresponding angles angles are congruent, meaning they are equal. They're the same. Now, the ratios of their corresponding sides are proportional. Now, 2 units ago, we started proportions. We continued that with probability. And now you're going to see how you use proportions, or at least start setting up your proportions for similar figures. So if you look here in the first example, we have 2 rectangles. As yesterday, I am going to label them so you can see. So I have shape 1 and shape 2. I'm also going to go ahead and highlight all my sides. Again, you may choose to or not to. That is your choice. So I'm going to make I'm going to make side AB red, and then B to C yellow, C to D green, and D back to A blue. I'm going to follow that same pattern for the other shape 2. Again, remembering that it is in clockwise order. So now everything is labeled. Then I'll go back in and also do my corners as well, do my angles as well. So angle A, I'm going to make purple, along with W is purple. Angle B, I'll make it red, and angle X is red. Angle C, I'll make it pink on mine. Y will also be pink. And then for lack of color, I'm going to make D as black and Z as black. So everything's labeled. That'll work for me. You label it how you would like to label it. Now we have quadrilateral ABCD is similar to WXYZ. Again, A and a W are our starting point. So A would start and go clockwise. W would be the start point going clockwise. Again, remember, clockwise, clockwise. Okay, so going this way to the right, going around and around to the right. So your proportions, AB, there's 2 ways you can do proportions. You can do the same with the same, so red with red. You can also do and you can also do opposites as well. So I will show that in a moment. All right, sorry about that. I had a little pause. So A and B, again, is red for me. Whatever color you had, that's up to you. A and B is proportional to WX. So WX would actually go in my denominator here. Then BC is also is also yellow. So I would look what's yellow. That means XY will go there. So again, AB to WX, BC to XY. All right. Now, same deal. We have C to D. I'm looking for green, Y to Z. So that goes in our denominator. Again, we're not doing any math yet. We don't have any measurements of lengths just yet. We start that probably tomorrow. AD is blue, so that means WZ would go in the denominator. Again, that's for this shape. So scrolling down a bit. So, and if you notice, going back up, you see that this is from shape 1. Both of these are from shape 1. I'll label that green. So both of these are from shape 1, the numerators are from shape 1, whereas the denominators are from shape 2. So notice how we still have the same with the same, same with the same. You could also do 1 over 1 equals 2 over 2, but we're not getting into that today. So if there are no other questions, please complete the rest of your examples. I will challenge you with this last one here. It looks like one triangle, but there's actually two. So it shows here we have triangle AXY is similar to ABC. So these two smaller, the smaller triangle. So keeping that in mind to help out a little bit, I'm going to draw this ABC triangle out here. A, B, C. A, B, C. So it is similar. ABC is similar to AXY. Set up your proportions for these two triangles. All right. Y'all have a great day.